Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are talking about SaveBritney or SBRT. You can see on CoinGecko it's already listed. We have here 261 price gain, and it's all about 10 hours on CoinGecko listed, and the price is just moving upward. So this is a nice token, I think a nice project. Why? I will tell you right now. We look at their website. It is, yes, it is Britney Spears. Save Britney. Crypto helps Britney. So that means here's a project that they want to help Britney, maybe in the medias, in social media, in the news. Britney had a lot of trouble with her father. Her father take too much care about Britney. It goes so far that he just want to decide of her whole life. And here's a project, a movement which want to help Britney. And this is a nice move. Britney Spears has been under a conservatorship supervised by her father, James Spears, for more than 13 years now. And the question is she unable to dominate her own life? I don't think so. With the right help, everyone can go forward by themselves. So get ready to join the biggest movement. Save Britney. Hashtag Save Britney. So if you look in the social media, there will be more about this project, I'm sure. A legal structure in which a person's personal, economic, and legal decision-making power is ceded to Britney's father and lawyers. Here again, they took the power of her life. The pop star's father and a team of lawyers seized control of her life. Yes, has no control over financial or personal decisions, so that means she's just a little puppy. Being forced to keep a contraceptive device preventing her from having children, she has been forced to perform against her will and been exploited for money. Britney Spears has been forced to take medications which has been used as punishment. So you can also see in the media she's always like on drugs. Conservatorships limit a person's ability to advocate for themselves, learning from their decision and mistakes, and grow and develop. So she said, I haven't done anything wrong to deserve this treatment. Britney, many of us, many fans of us will say the same, but at least you have to win this fight, and you have to fight for your rights, and alone you cannot do it. So that's why here's a project on the top, a nice project. The princess of pop, successful and strong woman, singer, songwriter, dancer, and actress, winner of a Grammy Award, 15 Guinness World Records, 6 MTV Music Awards, 7 Billboard Music Awards, and a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. So you can see this woman is a power woman, and why she should not lead by herself her life. Jamie Spears and lawyers, remember this. You can't control crypto. Oh yeah, that's right. Crypto can't be controlled by any institute or by Britney's father lawyers. Decentralization at its best. Here they write, it's over for you. They mean her father. You've abused Britney enough, it's time to stop this. She deserves to live. Okay, now project. I think something is going on here. I'm sure here her father will see this also. We have 11% tax on every transaction. 3% will pay directly to Britney Spears or her attorneys. 7% will go towards marketing and spreading the word about Save Britney. Nice. 1% is seamless distributed among all holders on every transaction. So that means If someone buy or sell, you always make some profits just to hold the tokens. Feel free to get in touch, so you can contact here the project leaders, the one who is responsible for that project. You have here buy token, social media, white paper, tokenomics, and about. You can all look by yourself if you have a little bit more. White paper, Save Britney. Again, why are doing it? Here again, 1% reward for holders, and so on. And they have for sure here a Twitter account with 2,000, near 800 followers. This looks real, nothing is buyed. And we have here 4,370 members in Telegram group, and over 1,000 are online right now. This also seems to be real, not that bite. 40,000 and then you see 1,000 or 40,000 are online. So I'm always a bit suspicious about that, but this is right now. I think it is okay. What you think about this project? Should crypto help Britney Spears, or you think, oh, this woman have enough money? But remember, maybe she have enough money, but the leader or the owner of the money right now is not her really, it's her father, and he don't want to lose this power. If he lose that power of her, he will lose her money, right? So it's a nice project. I think thumbs up. What do you think about it? Just leave me a comment, it will help a lot. Leave me a like for the channel, subscribe the channel, then I can go forward and make some new videos, maybe about Britney Spears, maybe about Save Britney, this token, or maybe about a new project who have to get the same chance to go forward, because I think crypto can change the world in this. If people start here a movement to save Britney, hashtag Save Britney, and this is just the beginning in crypto, and we can do a lot with crypto, but we have to go forward together, united, right? So please leave me a like, subscribe this channel if you like it, it will help a lot. And so on, I say see you next time, the next Hitcoin Daily token. Bye.